The landscape of modern warfare has undergone a seismic shift with the advent of fifth-generation fighter jets, which have redefined the boundaries of air superiority and national power. Possessing these advanced jets is a symbol of military prowess and global influence. But beyond their prestige, they are deadly tools of war, designed to dominate the skies and control the battlefield. Yet, their existence presents a paradox. While they are critical assets, losing even one in combat can be catastrophic, signaling a vulnerability that no superpower can afford. This is a lesson Russia has learned in a humiliating fashion. Despite its reputation as a military powerhouse, Russia's prized fifth-generation fighter jets have been struck down by Ukrainian forces, an event that marks a significant turning point in modern military aviation. Russia's Su-57, its latest and most advanced fighter, is a weapon of national pride. However, with only 32 Su-57s in existence, losing just one is a devastating blow, akin to losing a rare masterpiece from a limited collection. On June 8th, Russian military forces faced this harsh reality when Ukrainian forces successfully targeted an Su-57 at the Akbank Air Base in the Astrakhan region, some 366 meters from the front line. This marked the first time a fifth-generation jet was destroyed in action, a loss that Russia could ill afford. To put things into perspective, NATO refers to the Su-57 as the Felon, a symbol of its formidable capabilities. But while Russia has produced just a handful of these jets, the United States, with its F-35 Lightning II, has built more than 1,000. The Su-57 is only one of 4 fifth-generation fighters currently operational worldwide, joining China's J-20 and America's F-22 and F-35 in this elite category. The Su-57 is an all-purpose fighter, designed for both air-to-air superiority and ground or sea attacks. Its versatility makes it one of the most feared weapons in Russia's arsenal. Yet, when comparing it to the American F-35, the Su-57 is not without its shortcomings. The ongoing debate between military analysts centers on which fighter, the American F-35 or the Russian Su-57, would prevail in combat. A close examination of both aircraft reveals the key factors that could determine the outcome. Stealth capabilities. Stealth is arguably the defining feature of fifth-generation fighters, and both the F-35 and Su-57 are designed to be nearly invisible to radar. The F-35, built by Lockheed Martin, was created with stealth in mind from the very beginning. Its sleek, angular design minimizes radar reflections, while its engine is carefully concealed to reduce its infrared signature. The result is a radar cross-section smaller than a golf ball, making it nearly undetectable to enemy systems. The Su-57, Russia's first stealth aircraft, uses similar design principles, with aligned edges and zigzagged skin panels to reduce radar reflections. Its canopy is coated with a 70-90 nanometer metal oxide layer, decreasing radar visibility by 30% while protecting the pilot from ultraviolet radiation. However, both jets are susceptible to low-frequency radar, meaning they are not entirely invisible under certain conditions. Engines. The F-35 and Su-57 differ significantly in propulsion. The F-35 is powered by a single Pratt & Whitney F135 engine, producing 43,000 pounds of thrust and a top speed of Mach 1.6. In contrast, the Su-57 boasts 2 NPO Lyulka Saturn engines, which collectively generate over 63,000 pounds of thrust, propelling it to speeds of up to Mach 2. Despite the Su-57's speed advantage, the F-35 compensates with its superior stealth capabilities, which allow it to strike without being detected. Avionics. Avionics, the electronic systems that control modern aircraft, are where the F-35 shines. It features cutting-edge radar, communications, and electronic warfare systems, including a distributed aperture system that provides the pilot with a 360-degree view of the battlefield. The F-35's software, which controls its various systems, runs on an astonishing 8.6 million lines of code, giving it unmatched versatility in combat. The Su-57, while still advanced, operates on a simpler system with 4 million lines of code. Its avionics are designed primarily for air superiority, meaning the Su-57 excels in air-to-air combat, but may not be as effective in multi-role missions as the F-35. Weapons. When it comes to firepower, both fighters are equipped to the teeth. To maintain their stealth capabilities, both the F-35 and Su-57 carry weapons internally. The F-35 can carry up to 18,000 pounds of munitions, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface bombs, and even nuclear weapons such as the B-61 Mod 12. Its 25mm rotary cannon fires at an astounding rate of 3,300 rounds per minute, far outpacing the Su-57's 30mm cannon, which fires at 2,500 rounds per minute. The Su-57, though slightly behind in weapons payload with 16,500 pounds, carries a similarly deadly arsenal of missiles and bombs. However, it remains unclear if the Su-57 is capable of carrying nuclear weapons like its American counterpart. In summary, while the Su-57 is a formidable aircraft, the F-35 outmatches it in several key areas, particularly in stealth, avionics, and production capacity. Since its introduction in 2006, over 1,000 F-35s have been built, providing the United States and its allies with a vast fleet of these cutting-edge jets. By comparison, Russia has struggled to produce just 32 Su-57s since 2009, many of which are not fully operational or have been lost in the ongoing conflict with Ukraine. The disparity between the two fighters is stark. The F-35's overwhelming production numbers and superior technology mean that in any large-scale conflict, it may have the upper hand. The clash between the F-35 and the Su-57 is not just about individual aircraft, but a broader indicator of the industrial and technological might of the countries that build them. Fifth-generation fighters, once seen as near invincible, are now facing off against each other, with mixed results. Russia's recent losses in Ukraine demonstrate that these aircraft, while powerful, are not immune to modern warfare's realities. As the world's most advanced fighter jets continue to evolve, their role in shaping the future of global conflicts remains to be seen. What is clear, however, is that the dominance of the skies will be determined not just by technology, but by the strategies and industries that support these machines. Fifth-generation fighter jets are changing the world, and the battle for air supremacy is far from over.